Hey, happy Monday, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well and had a great weekend. We are filming this the week prior, and if everything goes right, you saw this on Friday night's live video a couple days ago. So what we are doing is we are going to carve the new monthly template. This is the monthly template for August. Yes. So it's kind of a cool little elephant, and we're going to carve that. I'm going to carve it both ways, inset and outset, which might be a little challenging on the outset part. But I am going to jump right into it. I've got my my Bosch router set up with my carving liner. And you guys know I don't normally use a carving liner unless I'm absolutely forced into it, but these are some pretty fine lines, so I am definitely going to use a carving liner. I think I'll go ahead and do this one inset first, and then I'll jump over here and do this one outset. So, before I get started, one thing that you want to do is on this template, I'm sorry, babe. On this template, see these lines? These really should be connected because those are his feet. The reason they're not connected on here, and actually looks like that and that, is because it would fall apart, right? So these really should be connected. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to connect those. Right? Is that the way that goes? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's the trunk coming down. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it. Anything else supposed to be connected, babe?
Well, up here, but...
Where? Oh, yeah, these. Yeah, those should be connected as well. So just the stuff that makes sense. All right, so let's do it. Let's get into it right now. Turn my lights on. Let's see. What's better for your view?
It doesn't matter, that cord's not in the way.
Okay, here we go. there is that. That is pretty much it. Man, that carving liner just, if you guys haven't used that carving liner, you got to try it. That thing just flies through that cedar. All right, I'm going to keep it at about the same depth. I don't even think I told you what that depth was. Let me check it. It's at about almost 1/8 of an inch. Now I'm going to move over to this one. We're going to try to do some of those lines outset. I'm going to try to do all of them outset. Let me connect those things. Yeah. All right, so now I got to, everything that's black, I got to be outset. We'll see. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now what I want to do, we'll come back, and generally when I do stuff like this outset, I want to put a big fat line all the way around it. Makes it stand out a little bit better. So that'll be our next deal. We'll get right into that. Sorry. Here we go. Sorry about that. That was a compressor. So what do you think, Vic?
I like the inset one much better.
I do too. This is just way too complicated. I wanted to, huh?
I get too close and it gets blurry. I think sawdust on the lens.
Yeah, it's just too complicated. Some things work, some things don't. That just definitely didn't.
He's cute.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think I could go through here and thicken up these lines too. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Nope. I thought it would look better than it did. So, that was the outset version. I wouldn't do that. I'd go with the inset version, and the outset version is really complicated anyway. So I definitely go the inset version. Maybe thicker lines. Maybe I would have gone back in on some of those lines and thickened them up with the profile bit. But anyway, that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, again, that carving liner bit, man, you got those of you that have used it, you know that thing is so much better than the SC50. It's not even comparable. Anyway, have any questions, let me know. Need any supplies, there's a website. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. And we do videos, we post videos every day. So be sure and leave us a comment, leave us a like, and let me know my email. Did I give my email yet? My email is eric@makeawoodsign.com. I get confused sometimes, guys. Thanks, guys. We love you. We'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.